In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the font in Microsoft Word. But before I do, make sure to subscribe. In the newer versions of Word, Aptos is the new default font. I don't like it. There's not many people who do. So how can I change the font in Microsoft Word? Well, we're going to be using this drop-down menu up here next to where it says Aptos in body. So first I'm going to select all my text. You can click and drag, or you can press Ctrl A, which is for all your text in your document. Then let's go up to the drop-down menu and scroll until you find the text that you want to use. I'm going to use Calibri here. Select it once and your font will change. So in a matter of seconds, you've changed the font of the text in your document. If you want to change the default font in Microsoft Word, then I've already done a video on this. Check it out by clicking in the link in the description below. If this video helped you, click like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And if you learn more about how to change the font, its color, its size, and how to install new fonts, then visit my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.